rock formation miles beneath the surface is fueling an American energy revolution. Shale's delivering good-paying jobs, clean air progress, home energy savings, a Rust Belt revival, and a stronger, more secure America.
We see now that silent revolution, shale revolution, is now very, very loud.
It is putting America in a place that we haven't been in 60 years.
We will and are becoming the dominant energy player in the world.
We're using new technology, data science, and really understanding at a first principles level why the shale works to improve performance. So I think we're in early innings in terms of shale really performing.
And Pennsylvania is at the heart of it all. From sustained long-term economic growth opportunities across our region,
as the economy sees its largest GDP growth in nearly 4 years, the energy industry also experiencing an unprecedented boom.
We're employing right now close to 3,000 people.
Construction will eventually employ 6,000 people.
Once the whole Marcellus Shale boom hit Washington County became like the epicenter, or we started having like an industrial revolution.
There is the potential for $60 billion of GDP growth, perhaps 100,000 family-sustaining jobs, $3 to $4 billion a year of additional tax revenue.
Cabot Oil and Gas has been making big moves this year, announcing the addition of dozens of new natural gas wells into production.
We're really ramping up now that the gas has someplace to go with these pipelines coming on.
To environmental progress.
There's no industry in Pennsylvania that's under the kind of environmental scrutiny that our industry is. And face it, we're all in this business together. We want to make sure it gets done in an environmentally responsible fashion.
Natural gas is a fossil fuel sourced out of the ground. It burns very clean because it has very little carbon in it.
This is the wave of the future. You know, there are car manufacturers are making more and more vehicles that run on natural gas, and so it's a cleaner burning fuel.
More vibrant communities.
Energy is essential for modern life, and our industry has been and will be instrumental to meeting this fundamental human need.
Efforts to clean up have been moving slow until natural gas company Southwestern Energy stepped in.
And without them, this work probably would be 4 months, 6 months. It could go out to a year.
Mark West brought the Challenge program to Indian Creek High School today.
CNX is proud to be part of the Pack the Bus event, and we'd like to thank everyone that's contributed to this very important initiative.
A $42,000 donation to the Faith Restoration Food Pantry, serving Beaver County.
Projects like Atlantic Sunrise are allowing Pennsylvania to maximize the tremendous economic and energy benefits of the Marcellus Shale.
And a stronger, more energy secure America.
And because of the great shale revolution, American LNG is now absolutely changing the geopolitical position in the world of the United States.
Look, I think the energy industry is strong and it's going to continue to grow, and we have an abundance of supply of both oil and natural gas.
The U.S. is one of the two or three top exporters of LNG in the world, which was something that was not imaginable a decade ago.
We're delivering freedom around the world, not just gas.
The energy we're safely producing here is an absolute winner for the region.